Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Vikas Khan and you watching Momy Tech. Friends, today I am going to tell you that you can identify original iPhone. So without wasting your time, let's start. Friend, friends, open your Chrome browser and write check iPhone. Tap write check I search. Scroll down. Type check your service and support coverage. Type. So friend, open the page, enter your serial number. Enter your serial number. For the serial number, you will go to the back of iPhone. Friend, back iPhone serial number. Type, enter your serial number. Enter serial number. Please, friend, enter. Please enter the code. L. Continue. Tab continue. See friend, your service has supported coverage. Your iPhone is original. So friend, this is original iPhone because check is green. Hopefully you like this video. If you like, please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.